Welcome to Against Kicks.
Count this overkill.
Attention all shoe enthusiasts. Are you tired of your favorite sneakers looking dirty and worn out? Look no further because we have the solution for you. Introducing the Alloda Shoe Cleaner, the ultimate cleaning kit that will make your shoes look brand new again. With its mild formula and non-ionic technology, the Alloda Shoe Cleaner can clean a variety of materials including canvas, suede, nylon, leather, and rubber. And the best part? You don't even need to add water. Just pump the foam and let the magic happen. But what sets the Alloda Shoe Cleaner apart from the rest is its unique 4-in-1 multi-purpose brush. With a yellow soft floor bristle, black firm nylon bristle, suede nubuck cleaner brush, and boot scraper brush, this kit has everything you need to tackle any dirt or scuff marks on your shoes. And don't worry about running out of towels, the microfiber towel included in the kit is highly absorbent and will assist in cleaning each layer of dirt during the cleaning process. But wait, there's more. The Alloda Shoe Cleaner claims that this kit can clean up to 80 pairs of sneakers. That's right, 80 pairs. And all of this for an unbeatable price of only $14.99 on Amazon right now. So why wait? Wear your sneakers with pride and keep them looking fresh with the Alloda Shoe Cleaner. Order now and experience the difference. Visit beacons.ai/iggskicks for more information and to purchase your kit today.